Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to add a stroke onto your text. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to your layers panel, find the text that you want to add a stroke on, and just right click it. Go all the way up until you find blending options. Now click on it. Now you'll get this tab. This will help you whatever you want to add onto your text. But the one that we're going to be using for this video is called stroke. I see right here. Just find it to you and click on it until it shows a check mark next to it. Now, what stroke does, it helps you add like an outer line around your text, as you see right here. I'll be showing you what these do. Now, size. This will depend on how big you're gonna want your stroke to be. But we gotta be careful because if you do too much, then the stroke could like just cover the main text color, like original color, or if you do too little, then it may not show. So just try to find the right size you want for your text for. I would just put mine to 10. Now position, as what it implies, depending on how you're gonna want it, inside, outside, or center, that's where the stroke is going to be. Let's say if you click outside, now the stroke is gonna be outside of the text, like on the outer side. If you click inside, it's gonna be the inner side of the text. It's still gonna be on the outline, but just gonna be the inside part. If you click and there's center too. Center is pretty much the main line of the text. Here, let me show you. Like outer line will be, let's say, outside of it. Inner line will be inside the line, and center line will be right on the line. That's how the stroke will be. Blend mode, um, depending on however you need to use, like depending on when you need to use these, you can just keep it to normal. Opacity, show like as you see right here, so opacity is. There's fill type right here, as you see right here, fill type. Shows color, gradient, pattern. Now there's gradient right here. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. But this is what it shows right here. Radial, angle, diamond, however you need it as while you're using gradient. There's pattern. Uh, let's see. I'm not gonna worry about it too much, but there's that right here. But what I'm gonna keep it on right now for fill type will be color, just like a normal color. I see right here it says color. This will be the main color for the stroke. Click on it. Let's see. I'm gonna change it to say pink, like a pink right here. And then those are what all of these do. Now just click OK, and there you go. That's how you add a stroke onto text. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.